This is question number 4. It says that the equation of the straight line is given as 3x negative 4y is equal to 5. We are asked to write the equation in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So that's the first question. Question number 2. Find the gradient of L. Question number 3. The point P given as r comma 2 lies on L. Find the value of r. So this is a solution. We are given 3x negative 4y is equal to 5. You move the 3x to the other side. You get 4y is equal to 5 negative 3x. Now I want to get rid of this negative sign. So you multiply by negative 1 throughout. You get positive 4y, negative 5, positive 3x. I want to get rid of this 4, so you divide by 4 throughout. You get 4y divided by 4, negative 5 divided by 4, 3x divided by 4. 4 gets cancelled. Now you rewrite it as so this is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is equal to 3 over 4 and c is equal to negative 5 over 4. Okay, so that's the solution for this question. Now they are asking us to find the gradient. Question number part 2 is gradient. Now gradient is whatever the value of m. So in this case gradient is equal to 3 over 4. Now the part 3 is they are asking us to find the value of r given that it lies on the line L. So this means x is equal to r and y is equal to 2. So if I were to take this as equation 2, therefore substituting r comma 2 into we get. So what do you get? In place of y you have 2, in place of x you have r, followed by the constant 5, negative 5 over 4. You need to get the value of r. Move this to the other side, to the left side. So this is going to give you 2 positive. 5 over 4 is equal to 3r over 4. The LCM is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, positive 5 is equal to 3r over 4. The 4 on the left gets cancelled with 4 on the right. So therefore you have 3r is equal to 5 added with 8 gives you 13. So r is equal to 13 over 3. So 3 parts were asked and we have answered all the 3 parts. So we have boxed it. Probably you can box this gradient and box this line. Okay, so that completes this question. We move on to the next one. Now we are given the next one. This is the final part. Find the equation of the line passing through 6, 0, which is perpendicular to L. Now this is a solution. The given line is perpendicular to y is equal to 3 over 4x negative 5 over 4. So this means the slope of the required line is equal to negative 1 over slope of L, which is negative 1 over, the slope is 3 over 4, which is nothing but negative 4 over 3. Now since the line passes through 6, 0, we have x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 0. And the equation of the line is y negative y1 is equal to slope is negative 4 over 3 x negative x1. This is the equation. y1 is 0 and my x1 is 6. So this is going to be y is equal to negative 4 over 3 times x positive 24 over 3. So this is the required equation. This is the required equation of the line. Okay. Now this is the next question. We are given two lines, x positive y is equal to 10 and y is equal to x, and we are given the following inequalities: x greater than equal to 0, y greater than equal to 0, and x positive y less than equal to 10, and x is greater than equal to y. We have to draw this graph. So let us see how to draw this graph. Foremost, we have to find the point of intersection of x positive y is equal to 10 and y is equal to x. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put y is equal to x in x positive y is equal to 10. So this means I get x positive x is equal to 10, 2x is equal to 10, which means x is equal to 10 over 2, 2 divides here 5 times, therefore x is equal to 5. This is what we get. So when x is equal to 5, what happens to y? You put this in this original equation. 5 positive y is equal to 10, therefore y is equal to 5. So at 5 comma 5, the lines intersect. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to draw the graph, and we will also have to give the point of intersections. So x positive y is equal to 10, when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 10, when y is equal to 0, x is equal to 10. And then, so let me place these points. 0 comma 10 is a point, 10 comma 0 is a point, and then 5 comma 5 is a point. So we will have to draw all these intersecting points. So okay, so we start with 0 comma 10. So I'm going to take these points as 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. You can write the axis here, x-axis and y-axis. I'm going to take 1 cm is equal to 2 units and 1 cm is equal to 2 units. So x is 0, y is 10, and then the same points, say 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. When x is 10, y is 0. Okay, so you connect these 2 points. Foremost, you can stretch that. Okay, fair enough. Now y is equal to x. When x is equal to 2, y will be equal to 2. X is equal to 4, y will be equal to 4. Okay, so this is going to be like this. Now the point of intersection will occur at 5. So let me take this as point 0.5. Okay, so I'm just going to take, just for the sake of clarity, right, I will hit this. Okay, there will be an issue, so we will have to, if I were to put this as 0.5, I'm just going to leave this blank as, okay, so just to get the graph Okay, so when you are drawing, you need to be a little bit cautious about plotting the points. But of course, we have mentioned the scale. Okay, so just to show that we have a point of intersection. The graph is not to scale; it's just an approximate reflection of what is being asked. Okay. Okay. All right. So now it says x positive y is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so that means when you add x and y, you should not surpass 10. So when suppose let this be point. Okay, this is the intersecting point. So when x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is less than or equal to 10. Because of the inequality less than or equal to, we can accept that. Okay. When x is equal to 6, y is, if I were to take x is equal to 6 and find the value for y is not going to be greater than this value. So y is going to be 10 negative 6, which is y is equal to 4. So it is coming in this range only. Okay, it's actually coming within this region of intersection. So that's fair enough. That is all right. Now the most important point you have to note here is all values of x greater than or equal to 0. So this should be the region. Okay, fair enough. And then y should be greater than or equal to 0. Again, it should be on the positive side. Okay, on the positive side. The representation for this, it means above the x-axis. That is the understanding. Now y greater than or equal to 0, definitely it is going to be on the right side. So that caters. So point 1 is taken care of, or inequality 1 is taken care of, 2 is also taken care of, 3 is also taken care of. Now there is another inequality, x greater than or equal to y. So that means if I take the value of x equal to 2, y cannot be equal to 3. You understand my point? So y is not possible because x should always be greater. So that means this will be the region that we are looking for. Okay, so that is the completion for this question. So we move on to the next one.